I'm Yasi, and this is Carmen from BCBG Generation. These stunning wedges are so versatile. They have this great neutral tone to them, so they'll go with just about anything. You can wear them with jeans or a nice dress and you'll look fabulous. But they still have this really great unique design to them because of this intricate knitted fabric detailing on the straps. Has a leather upper, so it's nice and smooth to the touch. It has this great strap that wraps around the wedge with this beautiful studded detailing on the sides. Has this great easy on and off construction. Has a smooth lining to ensure an abrasion-free wear, as well as a lightly cushioned footbed for some added support. Has this great wooden platform and heel right here. This platform on the front's really great because it'll give the balls of your feet a little bit more support, and your feet won't feel like they're on such an incline, and you don't need to compromise on this wedge height, which is great because this wedge height will give you legs for days. It'll make you look fabulous. Has this nice durable outsole, and it's lightweight too. You'll captivate a crowd when you're wearing the Carmen.